Welcome aboard! Your private jet is ready for departure. I'm your captain, and we're set for a smooth flight. Let's get you settled in. Adventure awaits! Welcome, right on schedule.
Thank you, Captain.
Allow me. I've got it, thanks. A pleasure to welcome you aboard.
Thank you, Captain. The pleasure is mine.
After you, my dear.
Oh, wow, this is incredible.
Welcome aboard. Your drinks.
Thank you so much.
Look, a tiny plane. Zoom, zoom. Watch it loop the loop. Oh, that tickles.
Mission accomplished. You're so funny.
So many great shows. What are you thinking?
That adventure one looks promising.
Yes. Or maybe the comedy special?
Ooh, good call. Let's watch that one.
Perfect. Your meals, Captain Madam. A late afternoon delight. Splendid. It looks wonderful.
It does. Thank you.
Well, cheers to a fine journey.
And to good company. Look, a castle in the clouds.
By the stars, I've never seen anything like it.
The sun rays are making it glow. Aye, a magical sight.
All right, watch this. Come stand behind me.
Okay, I'm right here.
See? A gentle pull, and we climb.
Incredible, the sunset is beautiful.
See this line? It marks the optimal route over the coastline.
Ah, I see, that's brilliant.
And this altitude adjustment avoids the turbulence.
Incredible, you're a great teacher.
Experience. See here? We follow this route.
Oh, I see, how exciting.
Then, a smooth turn here over the mountains.
Perfect, I can't wait.
We'll be there before you know it. Dawn over Miami.
The skyline is starting to appear.
Perfect visibility. We'll be landing shortly. Smooth flight, Cap. Thank you. Look at that view. Miami's calling us down.
It's breathtaking. The palm trees are so lush.
And the sun on those skyscrapers is perfect. Welcome to the city. What a view.
It's incredible. Thank you, Captain.
My pleasure. The fresh air is wonderful.
It feels so refreshing.
Enjoy your stay. Allow me, miss. I'll get your bag.
Oh, thank you so much.
Here we are. My car awaits.
It's beautiful. Thanks again.
Allow me, madam.
Thank you, Captain.
Your door, milady.
You're too kind.
Adventure awaits. Woohoo! This is the life!
Look at the neon starting to glow. And the buildings are a blur. This is perfect. Keep going.
Allow me, madam.
Thank you, Captain.
A perfect evening.
With delightful company.
Oh, look! The menus are all pictures. How delightful. This one looks like a shoe.
And this is a hat. We're in for a surprise.
I can't wait. The shrimp are divine tonight.
And the view is perfect.
The salad is exquisite.
Everything is just wonderful.
To a perfect evening. To calm waters and bright futures.
And to new partnerships.
This view is magical, isn't it?
It's perfect.
Ah, the night sparkles just for us.
It really does. Look at that dress.
Let's find you a captain's hat.
As long as it sparkles like these lights.
What do you think of this one, ma'am?
Let me see. The texture is nice.
It's a fine fabric, durable too.
I agree. It's perfect.
What a haul! This was the best spree yet.
I know, right? And these bags are overflowing.
Look at all these city lights. Magical.
It's perfect. Let's keep walking.
Here we are, the Grand Hotel. It's magnificent. Look at that architecture.
Allow me to get the luggage. Thank you. The lobby glow is so inviting.
After you, madam. Welcome. Your room is ready. Here is your key.
Thank you so much. Oh, wow. This place is incredible.
Right this way, madam. Your suite.
Thank you. It's perfect.
And the view is spectacular.
It really is. So peaceful.
Enjoy your stay.
This yellow jacket is perfect for you.
It is. And that gray dress looks lovely on you.
They look great together, don't they?
They certainly do. A fine choice. Ready for the disco?
You bet! This place looks amazing!
Let's go! Welcome to Miami's DC. Enjoy your night. For you, the house special mocktail.
Ooh, it looks amazing! To a fun night!
To a fun night.
So refreshing.
Only the best.
It was a pleasure doing business.
The pleasure was all mine.
Until next time.
Take care. Good morning. Ready to go?
Yes, thank you. It's a lovely day.
It is. Have a great ride.
Thanks again. Bye!
Bye now.